Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Manoj Kumar. I am the trainer for financial modeling and company valuation. More than 90% of finance students are not working on finance profile even when they have the degree in finance. Degrees like MBA, CA, CFA, BCom, MCom. They actually have the degree only, but they do not have the practical knowledge required for the finance profiles like investment banking, equity research, credit research, project finance, corporate finance, private equity. So they do not have the practical knowledge because they are not imparted that knowledge during their academic curriculum. They are learning everything from old books which are far away from practical applications. So there is a huge gap between what is demanded by the industry and what is being delivered in the colleges. So now the question is, what should we do? If you really want to enhance your practical knowledge, if you want to upgrade your knowledge and you want to make yourself more employable for the kind of profiles that you are looking for, then I will definitely recommend you that you should learn financial modeling and valuation. Financial modeling and valuation are the most important skills required for the finance profiles. So how you should learn financial modeling? Here's the good news, and the good news is that I have come up with a brand new free financial modeling training program. In this financial modeling training program, you will learn how to create financial model absolutely from scratch. I will give you cell by cell, step by step illustration on how to make financial model and how to forecast income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement with the help of assumptions. How to do the scenario analysis, how to do the sensitivity analysis, how to do the historical analysis, how to take assumptions, how to create schedule, and finally how to create an integrated comprehensive financial model. So if you really want to enhance your knowledge and learn financial modeling, you should definitely subscribe the free financial modeling training program. So click on the link given below and subscribe the videos. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.